Students of class 10th. Student, today we will learn about session 8 and 9. 8 related to text wrapping and 9 inserting objects. The children, one by one, we will understand about this session. First, about the text wrapping. So let introduce with the text wrapping. Children, the placement of the text with graphics is an important aspect in a Word document. You can adjust the text around the image as you desire. Children, when we want adjust the images or graphics with our text, then we use the text wrapping. And text wrapping allows us to place text behind an image, in front of an image, or around an image. So there are many options given in the text wrapping, and we, according to our convenience and according to our need, we can adjust the text wrapping with our text. Now let's see these adjustment of text wrapping with the text. So here are the some options are given inside the text wrapping. So let's see this video, and that will be very understandable format as a practical way. So let's have a video. Now children, we have here some text or some as a matter with our images. So here we insert the image and we want to adjust this image with our text. So we have the menu option. As a click on the picture, you will get the format tab automatically on the menu bar here, and we find here the as a in arrange group text wrapping. To click on the text wrapping, and we find here many options related to the text wrapping, as you can see on this screen here, as a line with the text, square, tight, through, top and bottom, and behind the text, and here the front the text, in front of the text, and others. So now here the square. So you can see the student square means if you want to set your text around the image, so you can set the square options here. You can select the square option. You can see on the images also here, and you can put your picture as around the text. So it will be as a adjustment of the text with the images. And if you click on the tight, so children, here is a little bit different about the tight and square, as you can see the around the side of the text, but tight, now your text would be more close than the square options. Square let you to set the text around the side of the image, but tight it more close your text, means text would be more close than the square. So you can here differentiate as a square and tight. When you want to show, you can see here the differentiation of between. Now through we get as a now with this option, so now tight and the square, it is a little bit different, because if you want to show your text means in between of the images and with very close with the images, you can see on the screen here. Now this is a shows here the such a square options. Tight was the very close, but here the square is through is a around the side, as a with the picture here, adjustment with the picture here. You can adjust the picture with the through here. Through options let you to as a insert the settings of the text here. So now as a top and bottom, children, the top and bottom, you understand if you want to set your text top and bottom of the picture, you can use here the top and bottom options of the text wrapping. So here we find the as a top and bottom. Now behind the text, sometime we need set our pictures behind of the text, like in the catalog, or you can say as a pamphlets, and such time we find such a type of the head, I mean letter pad. So we find the such a given the as a watermark given the backside of the text. So we can use the behind of the text means image, means we can set that image behind of the text, and we use sometime as a behind of the text. You can see this is you can set the behind of the text wherever you want to set. You can adjust your image or picture with your text behind of the text here. The children, you can find this way we can set the picture behind of the text. And now next we find as a here the related to the as a in front of the text, as a reverse of the behind of the text we find in front of the text, means sometime we keep and put our images in front of the text. Now next as a close to the means we can adjust the text here. Now with the as a edit with the line here, means edit wrap points, it lets you to as a adjust your picture with the point wise, means according to your needs and desire you can set the spacing of the text with your images. You can see here as we want to keep the here spaces with the text little bit is different, but in the we find the square tied through top and bottom behind the text in front of the text, it is a predefined, but here you can define with your adjustment of the spaces with the thing objects. The children, as inserting objects, we talk about here the some important aspect related to the this session number 9. So let here talk about and introduce with the inserting objects. Children, Microsoft Word allows an object created in one application to get it embedded in another document without changing the original format of the object. And these objects are embedded to give special effects to the document and make it visually appealing. Objects embedded in a document can be from a PowerPoint presentation, a movie clip, an Excel spreadsheet, etc. So let here see the video of the inserting objects. How can we insert the objects in our document? So let's have a look of this video practically. For inserting the objects, we click on the insert tab and we find here text group. In text group we find here the object option. You can click on this object option. As you click, you will get the dialog box of the object, and here we find the two tab, create new and create files, create from files here. So you click here the create from files, and here you will get the file for inputting the insert. So for this we click on the as a find the browse option. So click here the browse option, you find here, click on the browse for inserting your as objects. It can be in a form of your the images, like can be such a file, a PDF file or Excel file. So here select that file and click on here the OK option, OK button, and it let you to insert the MS Excel file. As I have selected the MS Excel file, so this will let you to same look as a Excel here, but you want to change something in that objects, so you have to double click on that. Okay, for editing or for any amendment, you have to double click on that object for the editing, as same will look give the providing for the editable window. And now here you can edit that things in your MS Word document window. So this is the children here to inserting the process of the inserting objects, any type of the objects you can insert, the children here as a for any type of the object, but it is not related to any here, but it is related to the as a PDF file, as a images, bitmap images, Corel Draw images, so you can insert the images in this way. Okay children, thank you for watching this video.